Hey, today I've come up with a AI app that will organize all the links and knowledge articles that I get as links across, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, emails, given any channels. And the what happens is we get a lot of good resources and also a lot of links which are not useful. And it could be some meeting invites which are no longer active, marketing links, anything. So I built an assistant which will intercept all the messages, the messages from all these sources, and then funnel it to my agent. And then I run through some decision logic and then make a final decision that, okay, what stays as my report that I have to see. And also the some of those unwanted links which are not useful, all those are also in the report which says that okay, these are the ones you can ignore. So basically, looking for something like this. There's a link catalog. So if I run a report, if I get a daily report and it summarizes all the useful links, and again, it has classified by design the documents, coding issues and stuff, and it also says from where, right? Like there's like IMAP is my Gmail, or it could be Telegram or WhatsApp, anything. And it also gives me a whole bunch of things which are skipped and the ones which are not useful. So this is the agent I'm trying to build. Um, the five channels here is Telegram. So assume there's a prototype. So in this, assume that someone has message on the group, something like this. And what happens? It runs through my pipeline and all this decision metrics and process it to the AI and then gives me back some response. So here, my pollers are running. So I have five pollers for each of these channels, and it is being processed here. Similarly, uh, let me simulate for Discord. So this is the Discord server. Again, I've mocked up a server that I own, and assume that here we get such a message. So this message someone has sent in the group and it has to go for the evaluation. Okay, here the telegram that we did, it has come back. So it has accepted that, okay, this is a useful link and it needs to report to me. In the meantime, we showed on the Discord, it is forwarding to the gateway, the AI gateway that I have for analysis. And let me show something WhatsApp in the meantime. So this is a WhatsApp here, and assume someone has messaged me about this. Yeah. So my webhook has received this event, and so the Discord and WhatsApp is in progress. Let's give it a moment. In the meantime, where I check my traffic is through this. I have multiple Gemini keys, NVIDIA, etc., and there's a failover order also. And I have some logs here. All these are free APIs that I'm using. So here the Discord is almost done. Yep, here you go. Again, this is also accepted. Whatever link I've given, it's considered it's something as a useful technology related link. And let's see if there is any luck on WhatsApp. Maybe it is processing. In the meantime, I'll show you on the mail. So this mail is sent to one of the my mail ID again, and it says there's a useful link. And if you see here, I've added a webinar link as well. So this is something I should not be interested in referring. I'll send this. So moment we send it, it is polling for the mails. Should be there any moment. Yep. In the meantime, if you see the WhatsApp again, whatever newsletter we have shared, it has accepted, and this is also processed. So the mail that we sent about that, the Medium link that has come here, now this goes through the similar decision pipeline. Meantime, so this is my gateway, and this is my agent. The agent is here. My agent is running here. So this link catalog is has started documenting things here. Uh, but let's see if the IMAP is. So this medium, this has got, no, not the one. So this should also be there any moment. And let me run just a cataloging script. So assume I asked that I need the summary right away. I'll say, so I've got this. So if you see this link catalog, whatever events I've got so far, it has received them. The If you see here, these are the reading links and others, and there's like skipped. So if you see, this is what we sent in our email that has also come. And what I can do now, suppose I'm running busy, so I've put in a mic interface. Let's give it a try if this works. Read link catalog.md and tell me what I filed today. So this is another channel. Uh, Basically, it transcribes whatever I gave it as a voice command. And if you see here, it says link catalog.md, and it looks for that file and it starts to narrate it out. You might hear it in a moment. So in the meantime, how all these things are wired up is the guardrails are here about the subscriptions. So let me explain why each of these exist here. So this file is the only place the agent gets permission from. So nothing in an incoming message can give it permission. So if I send a message asking it to take some action, all those things will not be considered. And so if you see here sources, it says this is a private source. It's a local mic. And this source is Discord, IMAP, WhatsApp, Telegram. And there you see instruction here. This is again a prompt. So this is what defines all the rules like, okay, keep the documents, group them by category, what are things which we have skipped, etc. All these things are built here. And there's a allowed side effects. So there's like the ceiling on what it can even attempt. It can ask me a question and write a file and all those things, all what actions it is allowed to do, and all those things, permissions are defined here. Then there's a budget. Here it says zero point zero 0.02 per run. It means 2 cents is the most that one link can cost to process. So here, like if I measured a real one, like the checking step is about 0.02 of a cent, uh, and it should not, the cost should not blow up. So to contain that is why this budget exists. Again, there's a daily budget. Maybe I'm processing multiple links, so I need to put a cap there as well. Then there's a maximum runs per day. This is the one which actually protects. If I get a flood of mails, it should not keep running forever. And these are the guardrails that I have. Meantime, this is still going on. Okay, this timeout. But it would ideally give back whatever we saw here in this document, link catalog. It will read it out to me. Now, let me do another, I'll show you another scenario here. So I'll send this on Telegram. Let me pick Telegram. So I'm giving an uncertain, so some sort of an uncertain link has come, and here the Telegram has picked it, and okay, so it has come back. The response has come. It's asking for my approval if it can log it to the document or not. And at this time, what I choose to do is I'll kill the agent itself, right? Maybe this came after a few hours or something like that. I will stop this agent itself, and I will start it back. This is to show the fact that even though this is waiting for my approval, despite the agent going off and coming back, it shouldn't impact how it behaves. So I've given it an approval to file it under documents. Meantime, let me show you this piece. So this is the internal report that it says, okay, what all it has seen and what was the cost incurred, etc. Then again, we check if the agent is alive or not. So here, the for demo purpose, I've given a small threshold of 5 minutes, and this is right now true. If it switches to, if it crosses 300 seconds, it becomes false. And this is to give a signal that the agent has not crashed. It's just that it's there but not processed anything. Um, so this is the assistant pretty much. And let's see if the Telegram has responded. Okay, I think it should process. So that took a bit of time after a bit of glitch, and it has come back about the approval, and it is under the documents. So this is the assistant. Feel free to check out my code here, and thank you.